Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margin. Right now we'll be discussing about CSS margin shorthand property. Once again, CSS margin shorthand property. To shorten the code, it is possible to specify all the margin properties in one property in CSS. The margin property is a shorthand property. This margin property right here is a shorthand property for the following individual margin properties. If you are to specify margin dash top property, margin dash right property, margin dash bottom property, margin dash left property, you can do all these inside your shorthand margin property. This shorthand CSS margin property allows you to specify top, right, bottom, and the left margins in one way. So it won't be as if it won't be like this one that you are having 4 lines of code. Everything can just be on one straight line. You just have simple shorthand property like this. This CSS margin property is going to do the work for us. So in our next tutorial, we are going to continue talking about it. And what akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks.